everyone, it's Alessandro Bruxo from Home Chef Seattle. Today I'm going to be showing you guys how to make a caprese salad in Salada Caprese with layers of beautiful heirloom tomatoes, mozzarella cheese, basil, olive oil, oregano. We're also going to be adding a little bit of a twist, which is not very traditional, but we're going to be adding a layer of asparagus pesto to it, which is quite tasty. You can also follow the same asparagus pesto recipe for different applications, different salads, pastas. I hope you enjoy it. Let's get started. First, let's start on the asparagus pesto. I'm making enough for 2-3 salads, so I'm using 7 spears of asparagus. Start by breaking off the tough ends by snapping the spears. Then bring some water and salt to a boil and add the asparagus. Cook for a couple minutes until the asparagus turns bright green and starts to get tender. Then transfer it to an ice bath to stop the cooking. Then add the asparagus to a food processor. Add some pine nuts. I'm adding about 2-3 tablespoons. Some shredded Parmesan cheese. I also like to add a few pitted green olives. A clove of garlic. A handful of basil leaves. A squeeze of lemon juice. And salt. There are not exact measurements, and you can make it and adjust to your own liking. Start to blend it and scrape the sides if necessary. Then slowly add some extra virgin olive oil until you get the right consistency. The pesto should be nice and creamy. Taste it and adjust to your liking. I'm adding a little bit more basil and lemon juice. Shave a few spears of asparagus for garnish. I'm using a couple of beautiful heirloom tomatoes. You can use the tomatoes of your choice, but preferably kinds that have more meat and less seeds. Start by removing the tops, then cut it in thick slices. Next, cut some fresh mozzarella. If you can find buffalo mozzarella, great. Otherwise, just use regular fresh mozzarella. Cut thick slices just like you did with the tomatoes. Next, toast some pine nuts on a skillet until they start to brown. Now let's build our salad. Start with a layer of the asparagus pesto for the base. Then add 1 slice of tomato and season with some flake salt. Add a layer of mozzarella. Sprinkle with some dry oregano. Then top it with a couple of fresh basil leaves. And then repeat, seasoning each layer as you go. I usually go for 4 layers of tomato and 3 layers of cheese. Top it with the shaved asparagus and some basil leaves. Add a sprinkle of the toasted pine nuts. And finish it up with a nice drizzle of a good quality extra virgin olive oil. You can also add some olive oil in between the layers as you build it up. This salad tastes great, especially when tomatoes are in season and taste their best. I hope you have enjoyed the recipe. Please don't forget to like it, leave a comment, and subscribe for more recipes to come. Thank you for watching.